Hey guys, what's up? I'm at Wendy's. I got the new pulled pork cheese fries. You can get these spicy, smoky, or sweet. I don't know, I just got spicy, so. Look at that. They do not look half bad. Try a little pulled pork. Cheese. Not bad. Wow. These are not spicy at all. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish these and I'll see you in about 5 seconds. Those I'll give a 4 out of 5. Those are really pretty damn tasty. So yeah, let's go to Dairy Queen. So I got the apple pie, new apple pie blizzard from DQ. Okay, so this was $4.59, I believe. Brand new. Let's try it out. Tastes like apple pie, first bite. Not bad. We got real apples in there. Whipped cream on top. Little pie crust. So good. Beautiful day for ice cream. And then pulled pork cheese fries. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. It's totally awesome. Can't really go wrong with ice cream. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you soon.